In this video we will be using Coreldraw to make exactly sized objects and measure them with the Parallel Dimensions tool. We use the Rectangle tool to draw a rectangle and make the dimensions exactly the same as our drawing. Ensure the padlock is unlocked so that we can set each dimension separately. Pressing P centers it on the page. Make the outline a hairline. We duplicate the rectangle inside itself by clicking and dragging with the Shift key pressed. Press the right mouse button before releasing to make the duplicate. To make the rectangle exactly the right size, we modify the dimensions manually. Note the padlock is unlocked, so changing the width does not affect the height. We change the nudge distance to 1/8 inch. Our duplicates will be made with drag right click. Once duplicated, we use the arrow key nudge to get the 1/8 inch gap. Pressing F4 shows us all objects. We save the document, then make another file to show the client the dimensions. We will now use the Parallel Dimension tool to show the dimensions of the drawing. Select the Parallel Dimension tool and click at the start point. Then drag to the end point and release. Now move the mouse a short distance away and release, and the dimensions will be shown. Repeat until you have shown all of the dimensions.